Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. I'm here to show you the abundance of a permaculture design in a Texas garden. This garden is by far no true-to-design permaculture garden. However, I have taken the principles of permaculture and applied them in my own way. No one permaculture garden is like another. Each permaculturalist puts their own twist on their design. What I would like to show you is the abundance here. If you have watched the first garden update of the season, you will remember I only planted a few tomato plants. The rest of the annuals are completely volunteer. I am a college student and do not live full-time on the TPP property anymore. I may only be here once a week or even once a month. So anyway, with only an application of compost and mulch in the spring and planting a few tomatoes, there is so much abundance that I did little to manage. With the principles of permaculture, I can leave this garden long term and still get tomatoes, watermelons, cantaloupes, butternut squash, wild onion, with a tree crop of apricots, plums, and pomegranates on the way. One day, I would love to have a permaculture food forest, with many types of poultry foraging it alongside me. Till that day, I bid you farewell, and encourage all to keep your plants and hens happy and healthy.